the house. Test day, facing a triple integral. Didn't study, don't know how to set the intervals. We're running out of time, gotta set these variables. Hold up, spherical or cylindrical?
All I ever wanted was my name on the starboard. To be like Keon, breaking every class record. And to drive home proud in my Ford Accord, knowing that today my parents will kick me out the door.
Mrs. Laux asserts that triple integrals are great, but solving them is a process that I hate. So if you master how to properly evaluate, soon enough you'll be enjoying all your Friday calc dates.
We spend every waking moment on these integrals, and our love for them is pure and unconditional. So although these problems may be far from trivial, this song will make your struggles immaterial. The integral is the unthinkable. Solve the integral and do the inexplicable. Find the volume of the solid D. Triple integrals ain't no problem for me. The integral is the unthinkable. Solve the integral and do the inexplicable.
Ethan's gonna teach me to succeed, while Lil D solves every problem with ease.
Triple double integrals are almost the same. With doubles we use infinite rectangles in a plane. But now we're adding bunch of brushes in a 3D space. So now you've got your basics, will keep expanding your brain.
Setting limits can be tough, I know. So use a key figure called the shadow. Take the last two variables and take it slow. Graph it out to find the limits and go.
Given a shape, go X, Y, Z. Set the limits corresponding to each axis. Get your calculator out and solve all D. Now you have the volume of the solid D. Integral is the unthinkable. Solve the integral and do the inexplicable. Find the volume of the solid D. Triple integrals ain't no problem for me. Integral is the unthinkable. Solve the integral and do the inexplicable.
Ethan's gonna teach me to succeed, while Lil D solves every problem with ease.
Now you're facing something cylindrical. About now is when you're thinking truly critical. Now we're using R theta and once again Z. Don't forget to multiply by R or you'll get an E.
R and theta may seem difficult to find. Just use polar coordinates and you'll be fine. Now we convert all the x's and y's and evaluate the integrals, it's easy as pie.
Now I got a spirit problem pulling up on me, but it's all okay cause I know rows, theta, and phi. Just don't forget the rho squared sine times phi. And please don't call the rho phi.
Wait, but what in the world are rho and phi? Rho is simply the distance from point O to the P, and phi the angle from the z-axis. And of course you already know what theta is.
The integral is the unthinkable. Solve the integral and do the inexplicable. Find the volume of the solid D. Triple integrals ain't no problem for me. The integral is the unthinkable. Solve the integral and do the inexplicable.
Ethan's gonna teach me to succeed, while Lil D solves every problem with ease.